Hello, we are from Mia 1 and now we will explain how to make blackfish. But before this, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Gerald Putra Baru Padang.
My name is Alvin Tanwi.
My name is Fabian. My name is Erwin Pasolang.
And my name is Quinta Mariska.
And enjoy the video.
Materials: chili, bay leaf, pemerasan, onion and garlic, lemongrass, green onion, chickpeas, oil, flavoring, and fish.
And the utensils is pan, knife, cutting board, spatula, plate, and oil filter.
First, clean the fish and sprinkle with salt and lime. Then heat the oil and fry the fish.
Slice the garlic, onion, chickpeas, and green onion. Prepare a frying pan and fry the onion and garlic until fragrant.
After that, enter the pemerasan that has been dissolved in water and add enough water. Wait a minute until it boils. Enter the sliced chickpeas and stir for a while.
After that, enter the flavoring: fish, green onion, chili, bay leaf, and lemongrass. Stir slowly until well mixed.
Arrange on the plate, and now the blackfish is ready to serve.
This is our video. May it help you. Thank you.